Package length, 1.8 centimeters. Package width, 9.7 centimeters. Package height, 10.9 centimeters. Product type, tent. Fix broken tent poles quickly. Specifications: 45 shock cord 30 wire, 6 washers, 2 ferrules, 8.5 mm, 9.5 mm. Top reviews from the United States. Just what I needed. Needed to repair my Hyke and Byke single tent pole and this worked great. The original shock cord broke mine. The thin wire made it easy to pull the cord out and used the little washers to tie off. A lot cheaper than ordering a new pole. The included furrels repaired another tent pole set. Get a repair kit to keep in your tent bag.